Nothing is permanent except change. And I think this two-day workshop truly summarizes this, that as teachers we have to embrace this change and prepare ourselves for the change. In Hindi we say, पढ़े लिखे को पढ़ाना बहुत मुश्किल काम होता है. तो जो 2 दिन से also like we all are very very senior teachers, some youngsters, ऐसे लोगों को नई टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में पढ़ाने का मुश्किल काम जो हमारे रिसोर्स पर्सन्स ने किया, I think they truly deserve a huge round of applause. Please give them a huge round of applause. And through EMRC and through Nadda Sahab also I have a request to make, sir, that we need more and more training into such things, and I would really request CEC to also come up with a 7-day faculty development program so that we can have hands-on experience on various AI tools and technology. And CEC is doing a wonderful job, especially this time when you have introduced the mentors for us to prepare the question papers. I think that initiative by CEC is fantastic. Thank you all so much, and a big thank you to entire EMRC team. They have done a fantastic job of coordination, and thanks to each one of you for making this program so successful.
This particular journey of MOOCs. And by the way our participants, our colleagues have participated in last 2 days, I can understand that many of you have a lot of questions, and I believe that last session, particularly by Divan sir, really have shown that how world is changing. Now there are threats and there are opportunities. Now you can take everything as a threat, you can go back, or you take it as an opportunity and move forward. Choice is yours. I thank EMRC, Osmania University and Consortium for coming up with this kind of ideas, because we really need to educate ourselves as a teacher first, then we can impart this information to our students. And I will request Nadda sir also, like there may be some special training for trainers and as well as course coordinator, because technology is changing. So this is a general kind of thing, but as a course coordinator, if we get more idea, like now CEC is asking for revision. So if we get more training, we can probably come up with much better content and integration, engagement, and all problem can be solved. Thanks a lot for this opportunity.
In this workshop, we got to know what is MOOC all about, what are the benefits of MOOC, and how the learner at large is going to benefit out of MOOCs. But we also should know the how of MOOC. How should a MOOC course be developed? What is the sequential procedure or step-by-step procedure in producing a MOOC? Now, if this kind of orientation were to be given to this workshop, then probably this would have been the best workshop. But as far as the resource persons are concerned, we had very resourceful resource persons, and I thank all the resource persons for being so very patient in spite of our repeated questioning. They were always very patient to answer all our questions. Thank you to all the resource persons, and I also congratulate the EMRC Osmania University for doing a wonderful job. This has been a really great program, and it has got a lot for us to take back home. Thank you.
In these 2 days, I learned a lot digital tools, kind of content development. I impressed a lot Narsimulu sir and Manas Deva sir lectures. I impressed a lot, sir. At the degree level, I am promoting all the video lectures related to the anthropology, psychology, English. In rural colleges, students are unable to get the quality of lectures. Through Consortium for Educational Communication, thousands of video lectures are available that are very useful for the civils preparation.
So my university is located in very rural area, and the students who are coming from very rural background. Then from myself, even I don't know how to create the MOOCs, but I have attended for a MOOCs one course. Just I knew that in what way the lectures are to be created. But the attending of this program is, it is better to create a MOOC program, and it is better to give a lecture availability online to the all students, because from the students of myself, they have given a good commentary that ma'am, your lectures are very good, but how can we listen again and again? So yesterday one of the professors said that how can we elaborate our lectures to the students a mini number. So by that mini number, it is only possible by the MOOCs. We are very thankful. Myself and my friend came here for giving this
I
opportunity.
came here not to take your time, but to inspire you that age is not a bar. I am going to shortly complete 75 years. You know, instead of rusting my brain, I thought I'll attend, because I have given some lectures in EMRC some time back. So then I thought, when the invitation was posted to me, right now I am a farmer, but I am very much alive as far as my brain is concerned. So I want to inspire the youth. Don't think that age is a bar to learn. Today I was very, very thrilled. Though sometimes I have roasted all the resource persons to the maximum possible, that was because of the child's curiosity in me. So please take my example, that you don't rust your brains, never think you're old. You're always alive. And I thank the universe and EMRC especially, because they had done a wonderful job. Organization was excellent. I have given the rating excellent, because it's a picture perfect organization. Nothing was postponed, nothing was delayed. It's an extraordinary achievement as far as I am concerned.